On this episode of One Man's Trash, I try to bring back to life a 1985 Honda ATC110. It's been sitting for a very long time. We'll see what we can do. So the first step is clean it up. Got it back inside. Now it's all clean and I feel like I can work on it without getting tetanus. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to see if it'll spark, if the ignition system is still working. Plug back in the wire, up against the motor. Let's see if I can get you in here. Now if we pull the cord, should be able to see. It's kind of hard to tell. Yeah, we got spark. I saw it pretty good there. Let's see if I can just see that. Yep. Alright, we're good to go there. Alright, since we got spark, now we're going to work on fuel. I've already checked and my throttle does not move, so that means the carburetor is seized up. Old fuel sitting for a long time. So first thing I'm going to do is get this fuel tank off. I'm pinching these lines so that I don't get this nasty old fuel everywhere. How did they do that? I guess we're going to do it this way.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
We've always used a wrench or something that put that thing in.
They probably used a wrench. That's right.
Yeah. I think that, if you did, I think that this, so this is one of orange.
Alright, so the throttle's completely stuck. So I'm going to shoot a little penetrating oil down in there. Let that set for a minute and see if it'll let go. Alright, let that set a minute. This doesn't want to come out, but we're going to help it a little bit. It's pulling on a slide from inside here. I'm going to see if I can persuade it. Maybe not. Okay, with a better persuasion, I got it to finally move a little bit. Okay, well, I could not get the slide out, but I got it freed up. Looks like it's got a little rivet that keeps it from coming out, so I'm just going to leave it. But it's moving freely with the thumb throttle now, so it's just going to stay, and I'm going to rebuild the carburetor as it sits, hanging from the bike. So we're going to pull the bottom off of this. Bowl looks like it's also the petcock, the valve that controls the fuel. And that sound you were hearing in the background is Marshall doing laps around the garage on his bicycle. I think I got them all. There we go. Oh, wow.
What?
That's the filthiest carburetor I've ever seen. Holy cow.
Yeah.
Look how dirty. Oh, wow. Okay, here we go. This little, you can see it, that little tube there is the overflow, so if it's got too much fuel in the bowl, it'll reach at top above this little drain hole and it'll drain out the bottom of the carburetor here. Holy cow, this is like concrete. Alright, gonna call it for today.